In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a fresh table in Freshsales Crm. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Freshsales CRM account and you are on the main dashboard. The table you are creating in Freshsales is set up as a custom module. This is useful when you want to track something your team needs that does not fit neatly into the standard leads, contacts, or accounts layout. Start by looking at the left sidebar. Click Admin Settings, which is the gear icon. This takes you into the administrative area where you can manage how your CRM is structured. Once you are in Settings, find the section for Module Customization. In some accounts, this may appear as custom modules under the Leads, Contacts, and Accounts area. Either way, you are heading to the place where you can create and edit modules. Next, go to the top right and click Add Module. In some layouts, it shows as a plus sign. This opens the module creation screen where you define the basic identity of your new table. Now enter a clear singular name for the module. Choose something that represents one record in the table, such as property. Picking a good singular name helps keep the CRM readable, especially when your team is adding or searching records later. After that, choose an icon to represent the module. The icon makes the module easy to spot in the navigation, so select something that matches the type of data you will store. When you are ready, click Save. Saving creates the new table and immediately opens the field editor, where you set up the columns that will appear on each record. In the field editor, click Add Field to create your columns. For example, you might add fields like price or date, depending on what you need to track. Take your time here and name fields clearly so everyone on your team understands what to enter. Add each field one by one, building out the structure of the table to match your process. Once your module is created, it will appear as a clickable icon on the left sidebar. From there, you can open it any day to add new records, view existing entries, and work with your data like any other module in Freshsales. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.